The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. At 2:04 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, NASA has detected numerous unidentified objects in Earth's atmosphere. It is speculated that these unidentified objects are from extraterrestrial origin. These objects are not hostile at this time. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and North American Aerospace Defense Command. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the unidentified objects are confirmed to be hostile. These objects are attacking civilians, and reports of unidentified objects has reported across the entire world. All residents of the United States seek shelter immediately, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, flashlight, and a battery-powered radio. If you see any suspicious activity, call 911 immediately. This message has been transmitted at the request of the United States Armed Forces. At 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, aliens are attacking civilians by the following characteristics: has weapons with shooting lasers at them, has the ability to run faster, some of aliens are immortal, and strong aliens using railgun to destroy vehicles or civilians. Also, these unidentified flying objects are that big as known as flying saucer with deflector shield, and laser that destroys the ground with green explosion. In addition, these big machines from alien equipment are known as tripods from the movie Wars from the World. These tripod machines has the ability to fire electric beams at people, vaporizing them, and has lots of robotic arms to grab people to the machine and abducting them. The United States military and world military will launch nuclear missiles heading towards the flying objects and launching missiles to the tripod machines. All residents hearing this must seek fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. If you cannot find the fallout shelter, seek a refuge on the lowest floor of a sturdy building in building's interior. The United States military, also with the world's military, will launch missiles aiming to these objects. Call 911 if you see any suspicious activity. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and including the United Nations. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 2:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the nuclear missiles aiming to the flying objects, also rockets aiming to tripods, is hard to destroy because their deflector shield is very strong. However, the aliens are probably immortal. All residents hearing this message, stay in your shelters now until the all clear has been given. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
aliens and real alien are there. This is a message to the United Nations and human race. You guys are going to lose the large humans when they're extinct. We cannot survive this as we go to our space station in the lasers to destroy the Earth like the Death Star in Star Wars. This human race will end soon and we're very strongly acting the world's military. The United States of America and other countries, if you are trying to destroy us. Sorry, but you're going to die. There is no God, and his hand is if you're all alone. No one is coming to save you and there will no place to run or hide from us. United States of America, the world's global superpower, you're the only country which is left to be fallen. So we will clear everything out and destroy this planet. Goodbye, human race. Now this is our alien over anthem.
We interrupt your programming. This is an global emergency. Important instructions will follow.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Do not turn off your television, as it is important to listen to alert us there is crisis that is ongoing. At 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, NASA has detected a large flying object orbiting Earth. Some witnesses say that this large object is currently known as the Death Star from the Star Wars movie. The Death Star is a space station that has super laser to destroy a planet or land. However, the Death Star orbiting Earth is not owned by the Galactic Empire. It has been owned by the aliens known as the Alien Order. However, a lot of countries of the world has been fallen while we are the only country which is left to be fallen. Over 95% of the world's human population are currently dead. The President of the United States has been conceived death. The alien space station will impact Earth in the next 30 minutes. There is no fucking way to stop this, as humans are about to go extinct. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. All residents of the United States, gather with your family members, friends, and pets that make you comfortable, and brace for the end. If you are religious, pray to your God or your deities. God, we would thank you that we are the part of the American dream. The end has come because of these alien invaders. Amen. However, the American dream has come to an end. We will play our last national anthem because the planet is destroyed. Goodbye forever.